Welcome to Ride JBI. This is JB. Today we finished doing a suspension service and rebuild on a 2020 KTM 125SX. The suspension was previously revalved by us for motocross riding. The forks feature the JBI suspension WP AER Pro Fork setup. This is a revalve with some hardware parts that are changed out on the inside of the fork as well. It is also available as a do-it-yourself install kit that can be purchased at ridejbi.com. The shock was revalved to a motocross spec to match, and the stock nitrogen tank was changed out with the MX Tech tank, which is a cool design by MX Tech. All JBI suspension services and parts can be found at ridejbi.com. And thank you guys for watching.